Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another unboxing and haul for you guys. This is from Aliexpress, Amazon, eBay. It will mainly be nail supplies, but there's also a couple of beauty things, and I think there's something to do with jewelry in this haul as well. So I just decided to put that in there too because I got it off Aliexpress. So there's a bunch of cute finds that you can find on Aliexpress. Sometimes it does take a minute to look through because like the designer stuff, they can't just flat out say designer, you know, like the name brand of it, so you have to go search. So some of the stuff will be hard to find, but I have links in the description box. If you see anything you want to check out, just scroll through, honey, and click and go, you know, go find it. But these are really cute, like really cute. I figured they would be good for like junk nails because they're like multicolored and they have like the different shapes. So cute, so cute. I love those. I think I've actually, no, I didn't use these. I used the ones that I showed. I think the first ones I showed were like all pink and like white. But this one comes with a little free gift. That's really, you know, it's a nice touch, you know. Freebies, we love freebies. And then these, I had bought these previously, but I bought another pack just in case, so I could have some more letters instead of just having one slide and then somebody say, oh, I want this and this, and then I don't have enough letters, so I bought another one. So I do want to stop and take a minute to recognize that, y'all, we hit 500 subs. Like 500 subs. Y'all are awesome. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. So to kind of commemorate that, I do want to do a giveaway. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet because I know a lot of people watch videos like this, but they don't do nails. So I'll come up with something and have you guys informed on the details of it, probably in my next couple of videos. But thank y'all. So I also bought some foils, and honestly I would not repurchase these because I only like 2 or 3 of the colors out of the 10, so that's not a good deal in my opinion. I just feel like I wouldn't put on majority of those, and I feel like nobody would choose to put them on, so yeah, no bueno. I purchased some more Mia Secret dehydrator. I've actually started putting like the date on my bottles so I can change them out more frequently because your girl was slacking. I was slacking. So I'm just trying to get more organized with my stuff so I can change it out, get it right. Boom, boom, boom. And then I purchased this off of eBay. I wanted a white one, but the one that was supposed to be quote unquote white looked like cream, and I didn't want a cream armrest, so I got the black one. It goes because my table is marble, like I have the black and white marble on my table, so it goes with it. But I would have preferred a white one. Like I like the white aesthetic. Like come on, somebody make a white one. I've seen people with white ones, but like I couldn't find it when I was looking, so I just settled for this one. I was trying to feel it and see if it was actually gonna be comfortable. Like I mean, it does its job, but I'm sure there's some more comfortable and softer ones out there if you keep looking. And so I purchased these, and y'all don't judge me because I think they're all the same. They play me. I think they're all the same. They look the same. They all have hexagon shapes. Like I think they're all the same, and they're all from the same company. Like what? I'm confused. I am confused. And then this bag, it was a bad idea because like when I get ready to use that, I probably just mix that in with some acrylic because ain't no way I'm gonna be trying to, no, I just mixed it in with some acrylic. But yeah, I think they're all the same, really all the same. And then I also purchased another extra long coffin. I know in a previous haul video I had posted one of these is cheaper than the other, so I'll probably just swap out the link and just give you the cheaper one because they're both the same brand and they're both in the same packaging, like same thing, but one's cheaper. So I'll just swap out the links so you guys don't pay extra. And then these are the smaller YSLs that I purchased. I would recommend to get these instead of the first ones I showed because these are small enough for the nail. The other ones, I don't know what the freak and who the freak played me, but it's okay. I'm not salty. I'll just put it on my phone or something, you know, use it as a regular sticker. But yeah, if you're trying to get it for nails, I would purchase something like this, small, so it fits on the nail. And I actually purchased these from their Etsy shop, but I'm pretty sure you can get it on their Instagram as well. So that is their Instagram handle. I will have the link for their Etsy shop in the description box if you would like to purchase with them.
This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, yeah.
And you know, I was excited to get these, but these are like kid-size bangles, so I don't think it said nothing about kid-size bangles on the freaking AliExpress, but these are clearly too small for my hands to get through. So if you want to make kids ones, then you know, I recommend this size, but I'll probably search and see if I can get some adult ones, because honey, it was not working for me. So I'll see if I can get some bigger ones. And because I don't know if you guys have seen, like, I'll probably try to find a picture, but like people are making bangles with like the Chanel and like the charms on it, and it's so cute. I want to make some for myself. Like, AliExpress, you let me down with this one. Let me all the way down, because I thought I was gonna be able to make a bangle, and I can't make no bangle. And then these are just some more of those really long nail tips. I decided to try and use the natural ones because, okay, the clear ones, they seem to crack sometimes when you're trying to cut it, like when you're cutting down for their size, like whatever length they want. Sometimes they crack, and I don't know why, but the natural ones, I don't think they crack. So I'm gonna see if it works a little bit better with the cracking, because nobody wants a cracked nail, and I don't know. You guys, oh my gosh, these are my favorite. I think I showed this in one video, but these are my favorite. But I'm gonna tell you a little trick too. Like, if you get some clear top coat, okay, and you have like really fine glitter, you could just mix it yourself. Like, mix it yourself. But look, it's like a galaxy in a little bottle. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. OMG. So freaking pretty. I love this one. This was my favorite one. My favorite one. It's so mesmerizing. Like, oh my goodness. And I have no clue what brand that's supposed to be on top, so I'm not even going to try to pronounce or figure out what that is. But I will have the link in the description box for you guys so you can check it out. And I'll probably just have the numbers under it. So it'll be 5, 10, and I don't know what the other number was. I'm not going to lie. I don't feel like waiting. I guess we'll wait. I think it's like 14, 15 maybe. What number is it? 4. I was off. So 5, 4 5, 4 and 10. I'll just label it like that. And then these are some little glue tabs. Say like you want to put some press-ons on, and you know you want to be able to take them off, and put you some of these bad boys up there. Put some of these under there, put your nail on, and go about your business, and nobody will know. Well, somebody might know, but they shouldn't be that close on your nail anyway. They too close. If they can tell, then they too close. Tell them to back up. And then for these flowers, I do not use them whole. I like to cut them and then just use the colored part at in the nail, because I feel like the whole flower, it's not the cutest thing in the world. Like, I'm not gonna say it's ugly, but you know. And these butterflies are super cute. I use these in a set already. I will post a little video or picture in the corner if I can. But yeah, it came out really cute. Like, she got like multicolored with the butterflies and a whole bunch of stuff. And then we got some Playboy bunnies. These are cute. And then I think this is the, we're not gonna say that word because we're gonna be nice and sweet, but it's the B word. And I also found, okay, I don't think I bought it, but I might have. But I found some ones that say Hustler and Savage. So I'll have links for those It might not be this video, I'm not gonna lie, but it might be the next haul. Hopefully it's the next haul. And okay, so if you don't know, there are vendors on AliExpress. So if you like lashes, go check you some out. You know, they're pretty, I'm not gonna say, well, they like, I don't even know how much these was, I'm not gonna cap. But there are vendors on AliExpress. So there is weave vendors, eyelash vendors. I'm pretty sure they probably have like clothing vendors up there too. So all of that is up there, and they have like, I think some of them do have like their WhatsApp number, because a lot of them like to communicate. Wow, communicate? What is a communicate? What is this? What is a communicate? They like to communicate through WhatsApp. So some of them will have that WhatsApp number up there, and you can just, you know, hit them up and say, hey, da 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 da, boom boom. And this is the primer I like to use. Once again, my primer is an acid primer. And then this is just me showing you guys what you can use as primer. So like dehydrate, put your primer, or dehydrate, put your base coat, or dehydrate and put put your young nails. So technically it would go dehydrate, primer, enhancement. So if you're doing gel, dehydrate, put young nails, base coat, or I've done it either way. I've done it with dehydrator and then just putting base coat, but now I've been trying it with dehydrator, young nails twice, and then base coat. And you guys, I bought a little Sailor Moon box, and it is cute. She's cute. And yeah, I really had no reason to buy this. Like, I just saw it and I was like, oh my goodness, that's cute, I'm getting it, whatever. But then it's like, what do you really need this for, Maria? What do you need this for? Okay, and then I bought some Young Nails Swipe, honey. Swipe it off. So that's just like an extra step in dehydrating, because it dries out your nail, girl. Like, it cleans it off and dries it off. So and then I also went ahead and purchased some lint-free wipes to go along with my swipe, and it came with one of those dispenser pumps, so I was happy about that. And this is from Amazon, so I have the link in the description box if you want to copy one. But I think they also have those pumps at dang it, I think it's the Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got my first one from the Dollar Tree. It was either the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, but I think it was the Dollar Tree. So yeah, if you look in your Dollar Tree, you can get those pumps for $1. These right here, like, I feel like I would use these if I was like trying to just like do something for like Instagram or something, because ain't no way who well, no, I'm not gonna say that, because people do wear their nails like this, but honey, that would be too much for me, way too much for me. So I'm gonna leave that to them. But and then I got some butterfly decals, because I think it's really cute when they have the butterflies like on separate fingers. That's so freaking cute. So I really should have bought like 2 of these, because you only get one of each type. Like, what? How does it make sense? Give me more than one. Like, give me more than one, bro. So I think sadly we're nearing the end of this haul, because I think Valentino is the last thing that I opened. But I purchased one of those, I'm not sure if you know, but Valentino has like a bundle type thing where you can get a clear, is it a clear? Yeah, a clear, a nude, and a pink. I think so, a clear, nude, and a pink for like $50. So I did that, and I got Soft Touch. I got the clear, crystal cleared. Actually, no, it's 4 colors. Yeah, so you get a white, a pink, and a nude. Yeah, so you get clear, white, pink, and nude for like $50. So I got Perfect Nude, Soft Touch, the Crystal Clear, and Prettiest Pink. And I'm gonna swatch them for you guys so you can see them. I think I'm slowly like, okay, I know I bought all of the iGel Beauty, but I don't know if I told you guys this, but like I tried to soak off some iGel Beauty and it didn't soak off quite right, like it's supposed to. So I don't know if that had to do with whatever monomer I use or if it was the iGel Beauty, but all of my monomers say they are EMA and not MMA. So something ain't right there. Something ain't right. Somebody's playing games with my heart. So yeah, I'm kind of steering away from my iGel Beauty right now. Like I still use it, but I'll make sure I put clear underneath. So just in case I have to, like, I won't be able to soak it. I'll have to drill it. So I don't know. It's not like it's sticky. It's just it doesn't flake like you know, like Valentino would or Mia's Secret. So I don't know if that's something, what that is, what they got going on, but it makes me steer away from using it. But I still have it. Maybe I'll test it out another day and see if it was something different, or try my 3 monomers and see which one it might have been, or see if somebody lied to me and they really got an MMA monomer when it's supposed to be EMA. But I don't know. We'll figure it out. That's gonna be like a series. Psych, I'm not finna do that. That's too much. Too much, sis. I just let y'all know eventually. But yeah, these are all of the colors, and I'm probably gonna buy another one of these because yeah, I can get all of the nudes. So thank you guys for coming through and watching. I hope you guys stay blessed and stay safe.